What's up, everybody? So, I took a trade in New York session today. This was not my typical strategy. I trade London, but yesterday I had an instead of $55, I guess. So, I was not in the best state of my mind, and I was on the verge of blowing my funded account. This is the first funded account I have ever traded. So, I was not in the best of my mental strength and health, but still I saw an opportunity. So I took it in the New York session. So what was the opportunity? So on the 4 hour, it was absolute bearish because it was rejecting from this resistance. It rejected from here. It went up, created a lower high, then created a lower low, and now the price was somewhere around here. So if you see the 4 hour, you see the 1 hour, it's bearish. The 1 hour was absolutely bearish. This was the in the London session. This was the move in London session, and it made a lower low. Then in New York, it made a lower high. So we were going again and making a lower low. So the bias for today was bearish. Now if we go to the 5 minute time frame, here there was a PPI news data coming out. So we entered after the news came, the data came, and the price went up, took resistance from rejected from this resistance, and I entered on the 1 minute time frame on this break of structure. I entered on right on this candle, right over here. I entered on this candle as soon as it closed, but when I was entering this, the next green candle came and it went a bit up, so my entry was in the middle of this candle. So the entry was pretty good. When I took this trade, it went in my favor, and then it went and it almost took our SL. It consolidated on the resistance level a lot. It consolidated over here, and then it gave break of structures. It went down, then it consolidated over here, then it gave break of structure over here. So I exited my trade somewhere over here. Yeah, I exited it somewhere over here, and but I exited it somewhere over here. Yeah, somewhere over here I exited it, but I risked $50. I made $100, so 1 to 2 was achieved. And I think I mistakenly risked a bit more than $50 because I achieved $100 in my target profit in my TP, but uh, here I didn't achieve 1 to 2, so I think my lot size was a bit more, but I achieved one. But I achieved my target. What I wanted, I wanted to risk $50 to get $100, and that as soon as that target was hit, I closed the trade, and as soon as after I closed the trade, it went further in my direction. So if I had not closed it, so it would go. It achieved it achieved 1 to 3 later, but that was not my game plan. My game plan was to just achieve 1 to 2 because I am playing it a bit defensive because I am already in a drawdown. So this was the trade today. Made around $100. Decent day, but I think I didn't follow my plan. Still made money, but I didn't follow my plan because my plan is to only trade London session. But I traded New York session because I saw an opportunity over here, and I was already not in a good mental state. So I took the trade. The trade was good, but still I think I made some money, but still I think I should have only stick to my plan and traded London session. So tomorrow, let's see tomorrow what we'll do. Let's see if I get an opportunity tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, so we'll see what happens. I'll see if I can get a trade tomorrow. So this was the trade for the day. Made around $100, decent day, and yeah, just documenting all of this stuff. And okay, so this was the trade, but I didn't identify this trade on my own. I didn't identify this trade on my own. This trade was given by these guys, Omar Punjabi and this guy. This trade was given, so I basically traded on his approval as well. Matlab, if I would have solely, I would not have taken this trade, but because these guys were also taking, so it gave me a bit more confidence, and I also saw that opportunity, so then I was convinced to just take that trade. Or else, if these guys would not have been trading today, or these guys would not have been trading today, so I would not take this trade because this is not in my plan. So okay, so this was the day, this was the video, and let's see, decent day, decent trade, but I have to be a bit more patient, and I have to only and only uh, trade London session, because I think that is uh, what I want more. And yeah, man, let's see. And I think we are on the verge of clearing this account now, because I am I am around 6% down on this account. Let me show you how much I am down. Okay, so wait, I am over here. Let's come here. Let's see how much I am down on my funding pips. So this is my wait, this is my funding pips, and wait, let me log in into my funding pips first. Okay, so I have logged in into my funding pips. Now let's see that how much we are down on our account. So this is this account. I have messed a lot with this account. This was my first account. First I issued a New York session, then I went towards London. I took, I don't know what type of trades I took, but still somehow I am in this account, and I'm still trying to revive this, get out from drawdown. I'm trying to okay, so I'm 5.9% down. The max, I think I was 8 or 7% down on this account, but after this trade I'm 6% down right now. So now the game plan for more trades is that I'll just okay, so let's see exactly how much money did we make today. We made around $100, I guess. Yes, yeah, we made $99 today. So you can see this. uh, let's hope for the best, and I have made some profit. So the next trade I'm going to take it on the London continuation setup, my setup, which is my playbook, and I'll just risk $100 on that trade, and risk a bit more, and I'll try to achieve 1 to 2. If that trade hits SL, then my risk will go to 0.25, and I'll just risk if I lose that trade, then I will be left with only $100. Then I'll only and only risk $25, and I'll have 4 trades to go. So this is the game plan. We made around $100 today, so I'm glad we made some money. Signing off, brothers and sisters.